How to transfer Brawl Stars account to another device. So the first thing you should know that you have to create one Supercell ID if you don't have one. So in order to create one, what you want to do is tap on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. At the bottom, you will get to see the option where it says Supercell ID. Simply head over to it. I also have to create one ID, so tap on continue. After you tap on continue, you have to enter one active email address. And then you will receive one verification code on your email address. Simply copy that code and paste it here. After that, tap on submit. Well, your Supercell ID has been connected to your game account. Click on OK. Create one name for your Supercell ID. After that, you have to choose your avatar. From here, you can choose whichever you want to, and then click on continue. There you can see that your Supercell ID has been created successfully. Now what you want to do is simply open Brawl Stars in another device, and you just have to enter this Supercell ID. Once you add this Supercell ID on your another device, your Brawl Stars account will be transferred successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can transfer Brawl Stars account to another device. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.